Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Want to give a shout out to brother Reginald Strong Sr. Hey, bro, Strong, man, listen here. Been doing a whole lot of these crossover rebuilds lately, and you asked about video. There are several videos that I've done over the years, and in fact, did a couple of videos recently, just last week, on rebuilding crossovers. So, man, go and check those videos out. And what you'll see is in one of the videos, what I did was I actually showed how the basically step-by-step process of rebuilding one of the crossovers and where everything needs to be connected and how to hook it up. And then I did another video on after the process was completed, so you know what it looks like. But if you look at those videos, man, you'll be able to understand how this works and be able to knock out your crossover whenever you need to. All right, so because this is a very important aspect of rebuilding, refurbishing a Leslie speaker system. Got to have that quality dividing, Leslie dividing network, so those upper frequencies can go to the upper driver, low frequencies going to the bass speaker. You want to be able to do that to happen properly, and you can have the type of Leslie sound that you're meant to have in a Leslie speaker system. All right. So thank you for reaching out to me. I appreciate it so very much. Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.